Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time guys, you are highly welcome. Ciao ragazzi, benvenuto sul mio canale. Se oggi è la prima volta, benvenuta. So guys, I want to prepare a popcorn, a yummy popcorn guys. If you taste this popcorn, you will love it. Ok guys? So ragazzi, vuoi preparare popcorn con questi e latte? Se assaggiate e vedete che è buonissimo. Ok? So let me introduce to you my ingredients guys. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of popcorn, and then I use a plastic rubber cup to measure my sugar and 30 grams of butter, ok? And then olive oil. So ragazzi, un cucchiaino di sale, un bicchiere di latte e di mais e di zucchero, 30 grammi di burro, ok? E l'olio serviamo per mettere sulla padella, ok? E iniziamo. Okay guys, this is my result. It looks so delicious guys. Okay, you know that this is celebration time. We need to enjoy with our family. So when you are eating this, stay on front of your parlor telly to watch nice film guys. So eat this thing so you feel, because since now we can go to cinema because of the lockdown guys, so you can make this at your home for your cinema to watch film, enjoy with your kids guys. So have fun to make this, okay guys? You all make it, you see the way it comes together, make it as I do it guys. You will enjoy it very well guys. It's very delicious. So ragazzi, è buonissimo, provate e ditemi che pensate, ok? È un perfetto momento di stare insieme alla famiglia. Se ancora non sei iscritto sul mio canale, iscrivi che sta aspettando. Unisci questa famiglia che ti vogliamo bene. Grazie a tutti voi. So guys, join this amazing family. If you know that you are not yet subscribed, subscribe, hit the notification bell in case I have no new video. You'll be the first person to watch. Guys, don't mind me because I have something on my mouth, okay? God bless. I love you guys, okay? Have a nice day.